Amazon just became the dark web storefront, and nobody's talking about it. These 30 gadgets are restricted, regulated, or flat out illegal in most places, and number 30 will make your jaw drop so hard you'll need surgery. 1. USB credit card. Skimmer. This tiny device plugs into any USB port and reads credit card data in seconds. Thieves have been using versions of this for years at gas stations and ATMs, but now a polished consumer version sits right on Amazon. It stores hundreds of card numbers silently. No software, no beep, no trace. Banks have flagged this technology as one of the top tools behind card fraud globally. 2. Car Power Booster Chip. Sellers market this as a plug-and-play OBD2 performance chip that unlocks hidden horsepower your manufacturer deliberately capped at the factory. Plug it into your OBD2 port, and it recalibrates fuel injection timing, air-to-fuel ratio, and throttle response for noticeably sharper acceleration. 3. NFC Card Copier. This little reader writes NFC data from any contactless card onto a blank card in under 3 seconds. Hotel keys, office badges, transit passes, all of them vulnerable. Security researchers have demonstrated this live on camera, and it works exactly as advertised. The problem is that the exact same demonstration is also how criminals duplicate access cards to enter restricted buildings. Banned for civilian sale in several countries. Still listed on Amazon. 4. Car Key Hacker Tool. This device captures and replays the rolling code signal from your key fob, tricking your car into unlocking without the original key. This is the exact tech behind relay attacks that car thieves use to steal keyless entry vehicles in under 60 seconds. Insurance companies across Europe have flagged this as a primary driver of luxury car theft. Amazon keeps pulling it. It keeps coming back. If someone can steal your car in under a minute, imagine what the next gadget does to your front door. 5. Mini Handheld Crossbow. This compact crossbow fires steel bolts with enough force to penetrate wood at close range. It looks like a toy. It absolutely is not. Several jurisdictions classify it as a prohibited weapon, and customs agencies in Australia and Canada have seized thousands of these at the border. Amazon's algorithm keeps recommending it under outdoor recreation. The listing images show targets, not toys, and if a crossbow is too obvious, the next one hides in your pocket. 6. Metal Pocket. Nunchucks. Solid steel construction, traditional nunchuck design, fits in a jacket pocket. Nunchucks are illegal in New York, California, and Arizona, and outright banned as weapons across most of the UK and Australia. These show up on Amazon as fitness training tools. The product description is technically creative. The legal consequences are not. Stay with me because the next one doesn't just look like an accessory. 7. Hidden Knuckle Keychain. Sold as a self-defense cat keychain, this aluminum piece fits your fingers like a ring and functions exactly like brass knuckles. Brass knuckles are prohibited weapons in over 25 US states and most of Europe. Cute branding for a prohibited weapon. Millions sold. And if that one hides in plain sight, wait until you see what hides in the next one. 8. Push-button pocket knife. An OTF automatic knife deploys its blade instantly with one hand, making it a favorite among first responders, outdoor workers, and tactical gear enthusiasts who need speed and reliability in high-pressure moments. The single-button mechanism is smoother and faster than any manual folder. The problem is, it is federally restricted in the US for civilians. Now here's where it gets technical, and a little more legal gray area. 9. ECU Tuning. Cable. This cable connects to your car's OBD port and allows direct firmware modification of the engine control unit. Legitimate mechanics use professional-grade tools. What Amazon sells is a consumer version with unverified third-party software that can permanently brick your engine if the flash fails. Beyond mechanical risk, flashing your ECU to remove speed limiters is illegal for road use in most countries. One bad upload, and your car is a very expensive paperweight. But breaking your own car is one thing. 10. Magnetic stripe logger. This device reads and stores the data from the magnetic stripe on any card swiped through it. Restaurants, retail counters, anywhere someone swipes a card is a potential harvest point. Law enforcement has recovered these from compromised point-of-sale systems across the US and Europe, classified as skimming equipment under federal fraud statutes, still searchable on Amazon right now. If logging card data is scary. 11. Smart card hacker. This reader-writer communicates with ISO 7816 smart chips, the same chips inside bank cards and government IDs. Security professionals use licensed versions for penetration testing. The unlicensed consumer versions on Amazon come bundled with card-writing software that has no legitimate civilian use case. Flagged by Interpol in reports on document fraud. Still shipping from multiple Amazon storefronts today. And if smart cards feel high-tech, 12. RFID badge cloner. Long-range RFID readers can silently scan employee badges from up to 3 feet away. Walk past someone in an elevator, sit near them in a coffee shop, and their building access credentials are now yours. Corporate security firms have tested this repeatedly and confirmed it works on the majority of older RFID badge systems. Amazon sells the exact reader used in these tests. 13. Hotel key copier. This device reads and duplicates the RFID data from hotel key cards. Check into a hotel, clone your own key, then use that cloned key data as a template for future unauthorized access. Security researchers presented this exploit at DEF-CON, and the hotel industry largely ignored the findings. The copier is still on Amazon. The hotel industry still uses the same vulnerable keycard standard. 14. Super Wi-Fi range antenna. High-gain directional antennas that amplify Wi-Fi signal far beyond the legal transmission power limits set by the FCC and its equivalents worldwide are sold openly on Amazon. Using these antennas to boost your own router output above legal limits carries a fine of up to $100,000 in the US. They also make war driving, long-range network infiltration from a parked car. Amazon classifies them as networking accessories. Stay locked in because the next one is technically a toy. 15. Band magnetic balls. Toy. High-powered neodymium magnet sets are genuinely fascinating, stress-relieving tools that artists, engineers, and desk workers use to build intricate 3D sculptures and decompress during long work sessions. The magnetic pull is satisfying in a way no other fidget product matches. The problem is certain high-flux formulations remain restricted in the EU and Canada after multiple children required surgery from accidental ingestion. What comes next is not a toy. It is a federal case. 16. DIY gun silencer kit. Solvent trap kits serve a genuinely useful purpose for firearm owners. They catch cleaning solvent and debris during routine barrel maintenance, keeping your workspace clean and extending the life of your firearm. High-quality aluminum construction and universal thread compatibility make them a practical accessory. The serious problem is that these kits sit one drill press away from an illegal suppressor conversion, which is a federal felony carrying up to 10 years in prison. And in case that one wasn't federal enough, the next one is sold right beside it. 17. Solvent trap suppressor. This is the more polished version of the previous entry, a pre-assembled solvent trap that matches the internal dimensions of known suppressor blueprints so closely that the ATF has issued specific guidance warning consumers. Multiple Amazon purchases of this exact product have been traced back to federal suppressor manufacturing investigations. It is sold as a cleaning accessory. The ATF disagrees with that classification frequently. 18. Combat cane. This walking cane conceals a solid steel rod inside a fiberglass shell and is designed to function as a striking weapon. It is marketed to elderly buyers as a self-defense tool. Several U.S. states classify it as a prohibited weapon under concealed carry statutes. The UK explicitly bans it. Amazon lists it under mobility aids. The product title buries the word combat between two normal words, and the algorithm doesn't notice. 19. Slingshot rifle. A wrist brace slingshot with a rifle-style stock delivers exceptional accuracy and serious draw weight, making it a legitimate tool for small game hunting and target shooting enthusiasts who want power without gunpowder. The problem is, it is classified as a prohibited weapon in the UK, Germany, and multiple Australian states. 20. Hidden knife key. This looks exactly like a standard house key. It functions exactly like a standard house key. It also has a concealed blade that folds out, which makes it a concealed weapon in most jurisdictions the moment it leaves your house. Multiple buyers have reported customs confiscating these on arrival. Amazon fulfills it anyway. 21. Steel ball. Keychain. A heavy steel ball on a braided cord functions as a flail, a prohibited impact weapon in most of Europe, and classified as a dangerous weapon under UK law. Amazon sells it as a fidget toy. The product dimensions match exactly those used in legal definitions of a weighted impact weapon. Thousands of reviews. Zero mentions of fidgeting. 22. Odometer rewind tool. This OBD2 connected device allows anyone to roll back the digital odometer on a vehicle's dashboard cluster. Odometer fraud is a federal crime in the U.S. under the Motor Vehicle Information and Cost Savings Act, carrying fines up to $10,000 per violation. 23. Mileage faker. Gadget. A companion product to the odometer rewind tool, this one intercepts the speed sensor signal and slows the mileage accumulation in real time while you drive. Detailing businesses and fleet operators with lease mileage caps are the primary buyers. Fraud investigators call them digital cheaters. Amazon calls them automotive accessories. 24. Bug and GPS jammer. A GPS and cellular signal jammer blocks all tracking signals within a 15-meter radius. Using one in the U.S. violates the Communications Act and carries federal penalties. The FCC has fined individuals $48,000 for single device usage. Trucking companies have discovered employees using these to hide unauthorized route deviations. Amazon has pulled and relisted this product over 40 times, according to monitoring by tech watchdog groups. It keeps coming back. 25. Gel blaster rifle. In Australia, gel blaster rifles are classified as firearms in several states and require a weapons license to own. In the U.S., multiple incidents have involved police responding to gel blasters misidentified as real firearms. Amazon lists them as toys. In Queensland, an unlicensed gel blaster carries the same legal penalty as an unlicensed firearm. Thousands sold monthly to buyers who have no idea about that detail. 26. Expandable steel baton. A spring-loaded steel baton that extends to 26 inches with a flick of the wrist is a prohibited weapon in California, New York, and most of the UK and Australia. Police-grade versions require law enforcement credentials. Amazon sells civilian versions. The listing calls it a hiking stick. No hiker has ever needed a spring-loaded steel rod on a trail. 27. Drone range booster. A signal amplifier that extends drone control range beyond the legally permitted threshold violates FAA regulations in the US and equivalent authorities worldwide. Flying a drone outside its approved range envelope removes all collision avoidance and return-to-home fail-safes. Airports in New Jersey and the UK have been shut down by drones with modified control systems. 28. Hunting bow kit. A quality compound bow kit delivers whisper-quiet power, exceptional accuracy, and a genuinely meditative shooting experience that rifle hunters simply never get. Bow hunting demands patience, precision, and skill that make every harvest feel earned. The complication is that draw weights above 28 pounds require a license in the UK. 29. Hidden camera detector. A hidden camera detector is fully legal to own almost everywhere. The reason it lands on this list is what it reveals. Studies have found hidden cameras in 1 in 10 short-term rental properties globally. This device, priced under $30 on Amazon, detects lens reflections and RF signals from wireless cameras. Privacy advocates call it essential. The hospitality industry calls it inconvenient. You decide who you trust. 30. Throwing Ninja Star. Hardened steel shurikens have a legitimate and deeply respected place in martial arts training, historical weapon collecting, and target practice. Serious practitioners use them to develop wrist control, release timing, and throwing accuracy in ways no other training tool replicates. Collectors prize museum-quality sets for their craftsmanship and cultural significance rooted in feudal Japanese combat history. Customs agencies worldwide seize them regularly. If this video put you up on game, smash that like button right now because it genuinely helps this channel reach people who need to know what they are actually buying. See you in the next.